Okay, you guys, this is Grant Bynum with Uptown 101 Houston. Hey, I'm with my friend Jessica over here, and she's going to show off. Hey, this is a two-bedroom vacant, so this isn't a model, this is a vacant, but I think you're going to like it, and I wanted you to see the hallways too. So it feels really nice in the hallways, super air-conditioned, and really well lighted. So let's walk inside. Okay, so wow, all right. Oh, wow. Okay, so I'm loving this huge area. This is really perfect for, hey, if you want to move to Houston, let's say you just graduated and you want to move to this area, this would be a perfect two-bedroom. Look at how big this is. Jessica, what would you say about this?
So this is 1174 square feet. It's our B2 layout. As you can see, a huge island here in the kitchen, lined with cabinets and drawers, so you have a ton of storage space.
She's not kidding. Look at this. This is like cabinet heaven.
You can fit 6 or 7 bar stools on the breakfast bar there, so you don't have to have a dining room table.
Oh, she's so right. Look at this. So, wow. You don't bring your table. You don't need it. This is massive. This is so great. And then look at all these windows. This is like the ultimate young professional apartment. It's really good. Uh-oh, what do you got here?
And all the apartments have this feature here. This is just the radio playing, which you can hook up your phone with Bluetooth.
Wow.
And the TV for surround sound, and the speakers come on the ceiling.
Oh, that's nice. So convenient, right? Just love it. Love it. Okay. Uh-oh.
Gorgeous wraparound balcony.
Balcony heaven. Look at this. This is amazing. This is a really big balcony. I mean, you could have 10 people out here easily. And then there's your pool view over there. So, wow, this is good. And as you can see, we're in Midtown, so, just downtown is super close, just, really close here. And this is a good neighborhood. And by the way, you're not too far away from the Buffalo Bayou Trails. The trails are super close, so you could walk to the trails or take a quick jog to there. This is a great location. Jessica, what else is going on here?
So the bedrooms are on separate sides of the apartment, which is nice. You don't
Okay.
get your privacy.
Okay.
So this is technically the primary bedroom, since it does have the private bath.
Oh, this is great. So I would say this is a good, let's see, so maybe like right here on this wall is a good
King size bed.
King.
Here, USB plugs in the corner.
USB. Oh, okay. I got to point this out. I don't see this a lot, and I love it when they're. So you see those guys right there? That's the USB plug in with your plug. That's a cool feature. I love it when places do that. I don't see a lot of that, so that's a really great feature. And I'm noticing too, it's just really well lighted, so there's a lot of light. You're gonna have natural light. You're not gonna be in this dark room. It's gonna be well lighted. But then you do have.
You have the room and shades that go up and down.
Yeah.
To give you good privacy and keep too much sun out.
That's awesome. Okay.
So private bath here, you do have the oversized soaking tub, nice big vanity.
Nice.
The closet's in the restroom, which helps free up some bedroom space.
Okay.
It doesn't take a wall away from your bedroom. You can arrange your furniture how you would like. Built-in shelves in here.
Yeah, lots of built-in shelves in there. Wow, that's great.
We also have a linen closet as well.
Linen closet too. Okay. Yeah, really good.
Back to the living area, and I'll show you the second bedroom.
Okay. Oh, this is great. I love how separated it is, Jessica, because you can, have fun out here, but then if fun's still going on, you can get to sleep.
Nice big bedroom here. Again, the USB plugs.
Okay.
The restroom has dual access from the bedroom and the living area. So when you're ready, you can walk through.
This has now this is a bigger bedroom, so if you're roommates, you're gonna have to fight over this. So this.
One thing to keep in mind is you both kind of get something. So the master bedroom is smaller, but you have the private bath. This one's bigger. You have the bath with the living area.
The shared bath.
One
Okay.
has a stand-up shower. This one.
Nice.
And the other has the tub.
Nice.
So
Okay.
you can kind of decide on preferences, which bedroom and bathroom combination you'd like.
Okay. And cute bath in here. I love the walk-in shower. That's just a big deal to me. So that's awesome. And then the closet. Okay. This is seems a little bit bigger in here too on the closet. Am I right?
Bigger, yes. I think that one might have a little more shelving the way it's laid out.
Oh, got
but
it.
Either way, it's not too shabby.
Yeah. No, I agree. Just trying to highlight just anything if somebody is looking at this. And one of the things our service does is we help you find places if you can't visit in person. You're looking at the best videos that exist for this property because we like to really highlight all the features of the property. So this is amazing. I love how big this is. And I want you to reach out to us because we're ready to help you find a perfect residence It's 100% free service. Reach out to us at uptown101houston.com/search. And what we'll do is we'll just start talking to you and chat with you and see what your needs are. We'll talk about the best fits for you. We'll set up virtual FaceTime tours, or if you need to come in person, we'll set those up as well. But we'll make it stress-free, and it's always 100% free service. So reach out to us. We look forward to hearing from you soon.